Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a golf grip. First, gather your essential tools: a vise, grip solvent, a hook blade, and a new grip. Secure your golf club firmly in a vise, making sure to protect the shaft. Carefully remove the old grip by cutting it lengthwise with a hook blade, then peel it off completely. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth regripping process. Next, it's time to remove any lingering old grip tape from the shaft. Peel it off completely, leaving no residue behind. Then, clean the shaft thoroughly using a cloth dampened with mineral spirits or a similar cleaning solution. This step ensures a clean surface for the new tape. Make sure the shaft is completely dry before moving on to the next stage. Now, let's apply the new double-sided grip tape. Start about 1/4 inch from the butt end of the shaft, wrapping it smoothly. Ensure there are no air bubbles or wrinkles, as these can affect the grip's feel. Leave a small overhang of tape at the butt end. This will be folded into the shaft opening later. Proper tape application is key for a secure grip. Finally, it's time to install your new grip. Liberally apply grip solvent to the entire length of the new tape and pour some inside the new grip. Quickly slide the new grip onto the shaft, ensuring it's fully seated. Align the grip for straightness before the solvent dries, which usually takes about 10 minutes. Allow at least several hours for the grip to dry completely before use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.